Welcome back to the channel, everyone. This is Adventures with Corey with your host, Corey, obviously. Anyway, continuing on this President's Cruise 2025 on the Celebrity Apex, we are now today in our first port in Norway, which is unbelievably beautiful. You can see the ship right behind me. We are in the port of Olden. Started off the day in a Tuscan restaurant with the Captain's Club lunch, which was really nice. Had a nice spread of fruits, cheeses, and some meats, I believe. Lots of smoothie choices and a really nice lauderie, I think it's pronounced, French toast. It was almost like a bread pudding. Really, really nice. A little bit sweet, but really, really good. Anyway, about to make my way over to the Loen Skylift, so make sure you guys follow along. Hit that subscribe button right there down below. Hit that like button with the notification bell on. Come on, let's go. Everybody, welcome to the town of Loen. I am here 3,300 feet up here in the mountains, and it is absolutely stunning. I mean, this is insane. And I'm holding on to this rail because I'm scared of heights, and needless to say, this railing is even tilted out, which I'm not a huge fan of, but I'm holding on even though I know nothing's gonna happen. Anyway, 23 feet per second on the Loen Skylift, all the way up here, like I said, 3,300 feet up. I think it took about 5 minutes. I was petrified, but it actually wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. There was a seat in there, which I sat down because I don't think my legs would have held me up for that ride, because I am afraid of heights, although looking behind me, you wouldn't know it. Anyway, this was I think about $90 or so with the shuttle bus included. You can get your tickets right off the ship at the huts, and of course the ship is docked in the port of Olden. And as you can see behind me, there is snow up here, and I'll take you on a little tour here in a second. There's a little hiking path that you can go on. You can go even higher than this, climbing up the rest of the way. There's a restaurant up here. There's some restrooms. But this view, I mean, this is $1 million view right here. This is insane. But anyway, if you come to the port of Olden, this is a must. Just be cautious though, because this is not always the view. Most of the times what you see behind me up in the air, the puffy clouds, that's the view, and then you don't get to see, all of this. So make sure the day is as gorgeous as it is here today before you purchase your tickets, because you never know what you're going to get with the weather here in Loen. But spend about 45 minutes up here at I don't know what the name of this place is up top, but the top of the Loen Skylift, and as you can see, snow, beautiful snow on the top of this hillside. Just making my way back inside. Gonna check out the gift shop inside the top up there, and then head back down, make our way back over to the Celebrity Apex on this amazingly beautiful day here in Olden/Loen. But we'll be back in just a little while, so stay tuned. So what an amazing day in the port of Olden yesterday. Probably some of the best views I've ever seen in my life. But anyway, got back on board the ship, went and had dinner in Blue. And for dinner, I had the vichyssoise soup again, and the lump crab martini, which was delicious. And then I had a ribeye steak and the grilled lamb chop salad, but I forgot to film those for you, sorry. But it was delicious. After dinner, went into the theater for showtime, which before dinner we went to the theater for showtime, which was an Eagles tribute band. And I can't really tell you if they were good or not, because I'm not a huge fan of the music of the Eagles. It's not really my genre. I didn't see many people get up and walk out, so I guess that's a good sign. So the second show of the evening was in the club, and this is done by the Eden production cast. And this show is called Caravan, and this show was a lot of fun. It's like a circus kind of esque theme, with contortionists and muscle men doing like a hand-to-hand duo type thing. A lot of really good dancing, some really good song choices as well. And then it was late, so I went to bed. And now we are in the magnificent, unbelievably beautiful port of Geiranger, Norway. And you can see the celebrity apex right there behind me in the distance. But check out the scenery here in this port. Weather here is a little bit chilly. As you can see, I'm a little bit bundled up and it is now starting to drizzle. But I've got my hoodie here and I've got a raincoat in my bag. Gloves I've got as well, and a hat. So be sure to dress for all seasons when you come to Norway, because you never know what you're going to get. And actually this might be some sleet or maybe some snow. I don't know. It is a chance of snow today. So going to do a hop on hop off bus here in the port. It's very simple. The last two ports, everything is like right here. 20 for 30 feet from the point you get off of the ship. Very small port, so it's not like the Caribbean ports that have shops galore. You do have a selection, but it is small. So sit tight. Every 30 minutes the bus will make a loop. You can get on, get off. There's 4 stops. Interested to see what's at these stops, but I'm sure it'll be almost, if not more, breathtaking as the views here in Geiranger. As we leave today, we will pass by this amazing Seven Sisters waterfall, which I will be sure to take you all along for. But again, if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button down there. Be sure to hit that thumbs up if you are enjoying this content, which I hope you are. If you've gotten this far, hopefully you're still enjoying it. And then hit that notification bell, which will tell you each and every time that I upload some new content. So stick around for more. So we are here at the last stop on this hop on hop off bus, which is actually our first stop, because that's what we were told to do. Because they stop here and then they go for 10 minutes, turn around and then come back. But it's snowing. See the flakes? It is just beautiful. Unreal views up here. It's cold, I'm not gonna lie, it's definitely cold. It's worth it, just bundle up, you'll be fine. So just finishing up our time here in the Geiranger fjords, making my way back to the ship. You can see right back there behind me, just kind of hiking down some steps on this little trail. Just some amazing views. Heading back to the ship and then gonna go have some lunch and see what else is gonna happen today. But really nice day here in Geiranger. A little bit chilly, but sun's coming out, going away, coming out, going away. A little bit of snow, but really it's all about the view. So bundle up and you'll be good to go. So I was just telling you about the views. Wait till you see this. Welcome back, everybody. We just left Geiranger, Norway about 30 minutes ago, and as you can see right behind me, we have got the unbelievable, can't speak of, my lips are freezing, Seven Sisters waterfall. We are now en route to the next port of Olden, Norway. Not sure what time we get there, but we will be there tomorrow morning, and I will be sure to bring you all along to check it out. So make sure you hit that notification bell right there down below, the thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button, because there's more to see than just that.